po na ito. Kabit lang natin dito. Isa-isa. Ano? Isa-isa natin kabit sila. So, bali tatlo lang ang ilagay natin. Kasi kung marami, mabigat na rin sa pagkita. Kaya tatlo lang muna. Ilagay. So it's still very early today and okay. So we use this Sabiki line and we have put the squid also. The color of the squid is color green, no? We have color green. So sounds like it's too windy today. Yeah, we fish the squid like in the night time, early in the evening or evening, you know, not in the daytime really. You should be catching in the early in the evening.
You can take your stuff off and you can look at the box.
Okay.
It's small stuff I covered with you.
Okay.
I better go get it. This is gonna fill up real quick here in a few minutes.
Okay. Where did you put that?
No, just
Okay. So, like what I said, it's not really crowded yet because it's still early in the morning. But the wind is up already. It's windy. And I'm trying to catch really the Spanish mackerel. But I don't see any one of us here catching the Spanish mackerel yet. So I will try in the other side also. Every time I stay and I cast my line over there, I will really stay like 5 minutes or more. But after that, I need to move on somewhere and try to look if I can catch some. Huh?
watch this stuff, it's steals.
Oh, that's good for the fish, is thinking.
That's good for your damn fish.
So, we're still hoping, guys, that we can catch any kind of fish here. For me, any kind of fish, they're big or small. See, somebody's leaving. It look like they don't catch nothing yet. Still very early, but they are leaving. Huh? Yes. So, something is biting, but it's not really hard bite. Yes. Ay,
Yeah.
ito tayo ngayon guys. Ito maliliit. Pero
Yeah.
okay lang. Ah, ah. Ayan, palagay ko mga ano ito, buraw na maliit. Yan o, maliit lang siya. Pero buraw yata ang tawag nito sa atin. Buraw.
You find the moon. And how you catching them? What kind of bait?
This is beautiful na yun. Thank you.